This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to delete cells and the ways that you can shift cells and ranges in Excel. Even after a table is created, you can add additional rows and columns. Whether you add new cells within the current range or adjacent to the table, they will automatically be formatted to match the current table size. Use either shift cells right or shift cells down depending on how you want to affect the data around the cell. When adding a new cell, data around the cells move down or to the right depending on how it's shifted. If there is data in adjacent cells that line up with the selected cell, it becomes unaligned. In some situations, it may be better to add a new column or add a new row instead of a new cell. To add rows, select the cell where you want to add a row on the Home tab in the Ribbon menu. Click Insert and select Insert Cells, then entire rows. You can do the same for adding a column. If you want to add multiple rows at once, highlight more than one row, then click Insert and select Insert Sheet Rows. Also, you can use Insert Sheet to add a worksheet on your workbook. It may require removing an unwanted cell. We can easily do it by deleting a cell. In this tutorial, I am going to explain several ways of how to delete a cell in Excel. To delete a cell using Ribbon, first select the cell you want to delete, then open the Home tab, go to Cells, from Delete select Delete Cells. Now there will pop up a dialog box where it will show for delete options. From there I select the Shift Cells Left, finally click OK. The delete option Shift Cells Left will delete the selected C3 cell. Also, it will shift the rest of the adjacent cells D3 and E3 to the left. The delete option Shift Cells Up will delete the selected C3 cell. Also, it will shift the rest of the cells C4 and C5 upward. To delete a row, select entire row and click OK. Also, you can do the same for a column. If you want to delete multiple rows and columns at once, highlight more than one row or column, then click Delete Sheet Rows or Sheet Columns. Also, you can delete your current sheet using Delete Worksheet. Note that it will be cleared permanently. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.